I am the 5th generation of locals here in Cambria, and this December 12th, 2018 is the 150th year anniversary of the purchase of this ranch. The Green Valley Ranch is 1,200 acres, and been in my family since 1868. I have the utmost respect for the old timers and what they had to go through to keep this. I can't wait for the sun to start setting so that you can get the dark side of the moon and really show how it is. People would come out here and they'd see all this open country, and see the livestock and see the wildlife, and I started thinking, I was like, the more people I get to share this with, the more I can share the blessing that I've been given. So we decided to make it into a venue and hold concert. What better way to bring people together but through music? We're 2 miles off of Highway 1 on 46 West. So we're 6 miles from Cambria, roughly 13 miles from Cayucas, and a stone throw away from the ocean. So with your contribution, the money will go towards the talent, the vendors, staff, the public works such as Caltrans County, all the people that make this actually happen. Check out our Kickstarter packages to see how you can contribute to help make this happen. All these new fancy doodads and witch watts. I didn't put cologne on for this deal, just in case they can smell me through the camera.